Come test drive this 2005 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, delay-off headlights, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.